Welcome to this week's Monday Marketing Minute. I'm Molly.
And I'm Freddie.
And we're here to give you the lay of the land about local SEO.
So get ready to learn.
Can we start by identifying what exactly local SEO is?
Yeah, absolutely. Local SEO is local search engine optimization for your website and content based on a specific geographic target, typically where your business is located and where you serve.
And it's not just using keywords targeting your location, right?
That's a big part of it, but there's way more to it. It's about creating localized content, getting good reviews, having local backlinks, and a super solid Google My Business profile.
But that's not all.
No, that's definitely not all. There's a lot more to it that goes into optimizing for local SEO. We can't get into all of the details in just 1 minute.
But we can share with you some helpful tips. Like if you have a business and want to rank in multiple cities you service, what can you do, Freddie?
Well, you can create local service pages for each one of those locations that can help you rank for people searching for that service in that location. But don't create the page just for the sake of having the page. You want to make sure that it's unique and serves a purpose. Otherwise, it may be considered a doorway page and not rank at all.
And what about the next part? Why is local SEO so important?
Well, local SEO is increasingly important because that's just the way people are searching. They're searching for blank near me, so bars near me, restaurant near me, donuts near me. It's just the way users are treating search engines. And actually, 4 out of 5 users use search to find local information. So that's nearly 80% of your client base that you could be missing out on if you're not optimized for local SEO.
That sounds like it's definitely worth investing in local SEO.
It really is, and I really hope you understand it better and understand why SEO is super, super important. So for more tricks and tips, head over to our blog.
We'll see you next time.